Hello everyone, Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Syllaby. Syllaby is an AI video creator, and I wanted to go over some of the features that it has and what it can do. I kind of found it a few weeks ago, and I've really enjoyed it. And if you're new here, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss one of our videos. Also, you can follow along with the 30-day AI challenge, link up above. All right, getting into this, let's look at what this is. So it creates videos. You can do faceless videos. You can do clone videos, different things like that. You can clone yourself. What I've actually done is I've done an audio of myself, but you can go into discover ideas. So no matter what keywords or whatever you're putting in there, you look at what's trending in the different social medias that are there. And for example, is consulting worth it? Reddit. Okay, that's going up 70 search volume, 70 though. So it gives you a good idea. I haven't clicked on any of this. It does cost you a little bit of credits. So each discovery ideas will be 15 credits. I have 500 credits left. And you can do, like I said, a real clone of yourself. I've did a voice clone of myself. So if you want to do the avatar, then yeah, that's going to cost you a little bit extra money. The voice clone itself, there's mine. So if I hit play, you'll hear what it sounds like here. Play it. All right, so it's one of those easy things. Well, we'll look into it a little bit more. I actually don't know if that played or not. You can edit videos, so you can upload videos here and edit them within the actual program. I'm not going to upload a video right now. That's the video editor, the bulk scheduler. And what you can do here is I have 7 of them already set up here, 7 videos set up. And you can create a bulk schedule and do it that way. You can publish directly from here. So you can just come in and here's the videos. You'll notice I also have a folder. That's the folder will be the bulk uploader. Well, it's running a little bit slow. My internet's not too good today. All right, there we go. So here's the post, total likes. These are some of them that have actually already gone out. Those are the published ones. The scheduled ones will show up here as well. Again, I'm just going to give you a brief overview of this so you can see how the whole thing works out. And then we're going to go ahead and create a video. So as you can see, these are all scheduled, ready to go. And we can have drafts as well. My videos, that'll be listing all your videos. And this is what I was saying. There's the 7 of them. And then this is the original one I was playing around trying to figure out if I liked it or not. And I do like it. If we look at the actual calendar view, it'll show, here we go, the postings that are scheduled. So this one is already posted. And oh, that one's posted. That one posted today, and it goes through everything. Sets it up that way. You connect your social media accounts here. You just add account and pop them in there, and it'll go in. And then, all right, let's go ahead and see how we make. Let's go to generate ideas. Let's refresh that. Again, a lot of this may be my actual, let's go to dashboard, craft video. We're just going to craft a video here. And you have all these templates. You can see kind of how it looks like there. We'll go ahead and scroll over. The one I've been using is this cyberpunk one right here. And you can go voices. We can, if you look, there's mine. We can go ahead and click on this. And video length, less than 1 minute, custom script. So if I want to do something in particular, I can go ahead. It does take for write a script AI assistant. So if I already had the script made, I would put it in there. If I want to go ahead and add a script, have AI do it, it's 1 credit per minute. So 1 credit will be 1 minute long video. This is a short, so URL to a video. So if I paste in a URL, it'll come up that way and generate everything. Audio to video, I can go ahead and add the thing and the audio, and it'll automatically set everything up that way. Let's go ahead and go AI script. And what we want to do is custom topic. We can go ahead and look at all these, what it talks about. No problem, and it'll do it. Let's go ahead and do a custom topic here. AI marketing for the future of AI marketing. Let's try that. The future of AI marketing. All right. And then generate script. And we'll give it a minute here. And then we can go in and edit it. And it'll tell us the length, 57 seconds. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence transforms how business engage with customers. This isn't science fiction. I don't like that. We'll go comma, delete that. And new era, the algorithms. All right. Just scanning through this. All right. And then the one thing I want to add here, if I can, let's see here. Please like and subscribe. There we go. If I can spell today, subscribe. There we go. And 59 seconds. Estimated cost will be 13. So let's go ahead and generate the video here and give it just a minute. All right, ready for your next hidden secrets behind AI impact and digital advertising. So basically it sets you up for other ideas that you may have in there. AI-driven marketing strategy, what top brands won't tell you. That might be a good one. But we're going to go ahead and let it go through its thing. Go back to dashboard. And when it's done, it'll actually give me a message. So these are ones you notice your video has been published, has been published, has been published. Now it took me a little bit to figure out the way you get rid of it is just click on that right there. I couldn't figure that out. I kept opening them and trying to figure out how I can actually get rid of it. But the easy way is just to click on that and it gets rid of it. Your video, how to transform, is published. So we're still waiting on this to come through. Let's go ahead and give it a minute. I'll actually pause the video. It won't take too long. Okay, here it is here. I will go ahead and click on this and you can see your video has been exported successfully and it'll pop up here. So this is it here. The whole image generation, here's the whole video, but here's the different segments and different pictures that it's there. So let's go ahead and try playing. Unfortunately, I think I have the volume off on the recording. So let's see. So you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it or not, like I said, but you can see how that came out. It's pretty nice, clean. I'll go ahead and pause that now. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope that was helpful. You can change the length of those actual videos. So if you come back here, like let's say we want to do a new video, so we'll go dashboard, we'll go ahead and craft video. So if you want to do a new video, 1 minute, but you can make them 16 by 9 instead of 9 by 16, 1 to 3 minute, 3 to 5 minute, 5 to 10 minute, and it's the same situation. It's just twisted this way, or the twisted, shouldn't say twisted. And you can do anything you want. You can change the subtitle style. You can change the language, the voices. There's all kinds of voices you can have in here. Pick whichever one you want. Like I say, you can put a custom script in, which means one that you've written yourself, or AI script. And even when the AI does it, you can follow up with it that way. All right. Thank you for your time today. Hope you had a great day and hope that was helpful for you. If you want to check this out, you can go ahead and download my free checklist, and the link is in the checklist, so you can check it out, and I'd appreciate that. Thank you.